In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Hire button in Behance. If you want potential clients to reach out directly from your portfolio, enabling the Hire Me button is a simple way to make that happen. I'll walk you through the exact settings to turn on and share a few practical tips, so your profile is set up to attract the right opportunities. Start by logging in to your Behance account and heading to your profile. On your profile page, look for the Edit option or the Availability control. Depending on your layout, you may see an Edit Profile button or a Clear Availability toggle. Turning on availability signals to clients that you are open to work, and it's the foundation for making the Hire Me button appear. Next, choose your work types. Behance gives you two key options here: freelance and project commission, or full-time. Select the one that fits how you want to be contacted, or choose both if you are open to either kind of opportunity. Picking freelance and project commission tells visitors you are available for short-term or scoped projects, while full-time indicates interest in ongoing roles. This choice helps filter the inquiries you receive so they match your preferences. Then, set up your services. In the Services tab on your profile, you can outline exactly what you offer, along with clear prices and typical timelines. Keep these service descriptions specific and easy to understand. Think deliverables, scope, and turnaround. If you provide different tiers or add-ons, list them in a way that helps clients quickly choose what they need. Transparent pricing and realistic timelines build trust and reduce back and forth. Once your availability, work types, and services are in place, the Hire Me button is activated for visitors to your profile. When someone clicks it, their inquiry goes straight to your Behance inbox, making it easy to manage messages and keep conversations in one place. If you've connected payment methods like Stripe or PayPal, this can streamline the transition from inquiry to project kickoff, helping clients feel confident about moving forward. To make the most of this setup, keep your availability current. Review your services periodically to reflect your best work, and use language that highlights your strengths and typical results. Clear expectations lead to smoother projects and better outcomes for both you and your clients. That's it. Thanks for watching.